turn red. Whispers of doubt still inside my head. Every scar is a sermon I've learned to recite. I was born in the dark, but I reached for the light. The pain was a teacher, the storm was a choir. My